What's up, y'all? It's Coach Neek here with another hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do butterfly locks over real locks. I am so excited to show you guys this video. I absolutely loved this hairstyle and I actually enjoyed doing it. So as you can see, I already pre-prepped my hair for the style. I put rubber bands around 2 locks each because I do want jumbo butterfly locks. And I'm going to show you guys an example of how I did that here coming up soon. So the parts really just depend on how big you want your butterfly locks. I want mine big. So my natural locks are like medium size, about 80 to 90 locks. So I wanted to do about 40 jumbo butterfly locks. So I just combined them together by twisting them and then adding a rubber band to the root of the lock. I did not add rubber bands to the ends of my locks because I have been experiencing some breakage at the ends where I have my color. My hair has just not been holding up well with the dye. So I decided not to put rubber bands at the end. Plus, it really didn't make a difference if I did or didn't. It actually saved me time. So I just braided it to the end. Some of them unraveled, some of them didn't. It didn't make a difference. Also, please be sure to add oil and leave-in conditioner and wash your hair before you do this style because it is going to be covered up and you want to make sure that, your hair is being protected while it's under this style. So this is the hair that I used. I used 6 bags of this water wave hair. And then I used also this kinky twist up hair that I'm getting ready to show you. I only had 1 bag of this and I didn't use all of the hair. I didn't use all of the deep wave hair or all of the twist up hair. I had leftovers of both, so it was pretty cool. And I have a pretty big head, so if I have leftovers, that's good. All right, so right here, I'm just sectioning my hair out. I always section my hair into 4 sections. To me, it just makes it easier to keep organized, and to me, it makes the process go faster. I went ahead and sped up the process of me installing the butterfly locks. Besides the last 2, which I'll be showing you the step-by-step process up close once I'm done with this process. It took me about 5 hours. I literally started at like 11 at night and finished, I think, at like 4 or 5 in the morning or something like that. I don't even remember. I just know the sun was trying to come up by the time I was done. All right, so I'm finished with this style. I have literally 2 left, and I'm going to show you guys step-by-step process, and I tried my literal best to get as close as I can for y'all for this process. Okay, so this is the twist up hair. This is the poofy hair. I'm going to take it, and I'm going to take the crochet needle. I'm going to push it under the rubber band, and then I'm going to loop the poofy hair into the latch of the crochet needle. Okay? Then I'm going to close that latch. Then I'm going to pull it through. Now there's a loop. Now I'm going to pull the hair through that loop once I get the crochet needle off of it. So I'm going to pull that hair through the loop. As you can see, there's a loop, there's hair. You pull it through. Basically tying it around the root of my hair under the rubber band to secure it. Okay, nice and secure. Okay, now that step is done, I'm going to take the deep wave hair, right? Okay, see it, deep wave hair. I'm going to separate it, make it poofy, nice and poofy. Give it some character, okay? Putting it back together. And we're going to get ready to do the same thing we did with the poofy hair with this deep wave hair. So we're going to insert the needle, the crochet needle, and under the rubber band. Then we're going to loop the deep wave hair into the needle, close the latch, and then we're going to put the hair through the loop, close it, and secure it. That simple, just like that. So here you're seeing me just add a little bit of Eco Gel to the hair, and I'm pulling just a little piece of the deep wave hair out to the side and grouping together the rest of the hair. The little piece of the deep wave hair that you see me pulling to the side is actually what I'm going to be wrapping the lock and the poofy hair with. So I'm going to take that small strand of hair and wrap it all the way around. Very close, very tight. And I mean, not too tight because you don't want to, you know, break your hair. But tight enough, you know, to hold it. You don't want it too loose. It is a technique with it. It's basically just a twist, well, a flip and twist, flip and twist, flip, twist, flip, twist, flip, twist, flip, twist. You get the concept. And when I'm saying twist, I'm saying twist the hair that's in your palm as you're, you know, wrapping it. So I'm twisting that hair as I'm wrapping it. And I'm getting ready to show you also how to give it the distress look. So you see I'm wrapping the hair around my finger a few times. And then I'm going to remove my finger and leave the hair kind of loose. And then continue to wrap it under. That's how you do the distress look. I didn't go like super distressed. It's all up to you. Some people like it more distressed. Some people like it less distressed. It's really up to you. Now I'm getting closer to the bottom of the lock. And you can tell that I'm starting to grab pieces of the other hair as I'm wrapping. And that is actually okay. Like it actually gives it more of the distressed look as I'm doing that. If you continue to just wrap it with the wavy hair all the way through, it gives it more of a uniform look. So it really is optional. I liked it to be kind of more poofy towards the end. So I like to kind of grab the kinky hair as I went down towards the bottom. Now we're getting ready to close out the bottom part of the lock. So you want to make sure there's enough hair to wrap it all the way down to the end of your real hair, and then enough hair to also wrap it going back up. I do apologize about the camera angle, y'all. I'm telling you, it was so early in the morning and I was so tired. I was running off of like 0 sleep. So sorry that you couldn't really see what I was trying to show you. But I basically wrapped it all the way down to the bottom. And then I took the extra hair and made a little loop and wrapped it all the way back up. And then now I'm going to take a lighter and just melt the little end that I wrapped back up. And then palm roll it to secure it. That's it, y'all. That's it. This was the final look. I wish I would have got more videos and pictures, but for some reason I didn't. But I absolutely love this style. I only left it up for about 2 weeks. I don't like to leave these type of styles up too long because I don't want breakage, but I did enjoy doing it and I did enjoy the versatility of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any suggestions, any questions, or if you just want to say hello. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at coach_Neek. And I hope to see your beautiful face here again. Bye.